ordinary entry-level welding is over. Defy convention. Go rogue. Understanding the Rogue EM 125 controls. The front panel of the Rogue features 2 encoder knobs, 2 corresponding digital displays, and a menu button. There are 2 icons. One indicates over temperature, and the second indicates arc dynamics. The left knob presets voltage. After welding, the display will hold the actual welding voltage for 5 seconds. The right knob presets wire feed speed. After welding, the display will hold the actual welding amperage for 5 seconds. When the menu button is pushed and held for 2 seconds, the Arc Dynamics LED indicator will illuminate. The right encoder knob will adjust values from -9 to +9. Arc Dynamics adjusts the intensity of the welding arc. A lower setting makes the arc softer with less weld spatter and better wetting action of the weld puddle. A higher setting creates a more driving arc, which can increase weld penetration. Inside the wire feed compartment is an additional button. When pushed down, the wire will jog. For guidance on setting weld parameters, see our video on fine-tuning the MIG arc.